course. But right now we have another beautiful lady from Nigeria. But this one I have to carry her and bring her to Ghana. So right now she's here with me, So to all my Nigerian brothers and sisters, you're going to enjoy. And I have a couple of friends. They're actually pissed because they're like, why do I get to talk to the beautiful ladies? And they have to watch me talk to them. But you know what? I really don't mind. Guys, send us messages, of course, on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere else, MX24GH, and be a part of the conversation. But right now, drumroll, I asked for balloons and water. And stuff, but we have lights, because we're having Karen in the studio.
Problem.
Yeah, fist bump. Charlie, you are hot.
Oh,
I must say, I have to say, but Caramel, it's good to have you in the studio. First off, congratulations on everything you're doing.
Thank you so much.
One thing we always say is ladies and championing what ladies are doing. We have Michelle Obama, we have girls like Nicki Minaj, and all you ladies are doing amazing. And today, we're talking to you, and I'm so excited. But the thing is, one thing I really wanted us to talk about is influencers.
Okay.
We're going to get into that. But who's Caramel? For that person who's watching, who doesn't know who Caramel is?
So, hi guys, hi everybody. My name is Caramel Plug, but my real name is Ogechi Ukodo. They call me Caramel Plug. Yeah. So I'm an entertainer, and I am a video creator, content creator. So that's literally what I do. I wouldn't regard myself as an influencer.
Okay, now that's the thing. Now, when we spoke off air, and I was like, there's this little debate about influencers. People say, once you have a lot of followers,
you're now an influencer.
Do you agree with that statement?
Okay, so with the way people would always want to put you in a box when they feel like they don't know where you were placed, or they can't place you somewhere. They always want to just put you somewhere so they can, address you or address, that space. You know what I'm trying to say? For me, I feel like if you're going to call yourself an influencer, there's more to just having numbers.
True.
As compared to just having numbers, you can't, because if you're saying an influencer, you need to be able to influence people even without having a product. Yeah. To influence, but to give people to.
That's actually very true. The work is in the title. You have to influence.
You need to be able to influence without even having something to influence.
Yeah. And the thing is, people might not know this, but a lot of stuff goes into your work, like financially, traveling, logistics. Yeah. So for those who don't know, what really goes into your work?
I think there's a lot of energy.
Oh, me, I've seen the energy. I've seen the dancing and I've seen it.
Yeah, so I think that's like the top for everything that goes into it. The energy goes, there's energy that has to
I'm going to stop you there. Okay. Now, if you guys are wondering, what's this energy Jason is talking about? Caramel, energy. Check this out.
This is in a village champion. Now, I've come to the realization that some of you on the social media said you like to mind your business. You don't like to face your front and do the thing that concern you. You like to put your head inside the one that does not in your. I took off time on social media because I wanted to focus on my mental health and my physical appearance. And some of you are coming to ask me stupid questions. I've been doing things that make me happy. I've been going to the gym a lot and I've been eating a lot of fruit and vegetables. I did not do any surgery. These are my body is. These are they born me. These are they gave birth to me in the hospital side. And if you have any problem with it, don't ask me any question. It's fruits. You don't know fruits. You don't know vegetables. You don't know the gym. It's gym. Don't ask me any question. Don't ask me. I saw fear they catch me, huh? You don't catch her now. Coronavirus, the girl show me coronavirus. You don't catch her. I don't know. Maybe that boy where I was just to go. That boy my house. She no more sanitize. Now I get boyfriend now. Her head too big. It's too big. Yeah. It's money. The guy broke. He broke. She broke that here. Who will give her money? Now, wow. I beg. No, don't chop. Sir. They go your house, so I swear. It's only for you. I forget. It's only for you. Let me just stay now because I've been crying since morning. I know enemies are everywhere watching all over me. But now let me just tell you that you took my bonnet. If you don't return it now, If you don't return it, let me tell you what is going to happen to you now. The demon that is going around your house will enter inside. That demon that you're running away from will enter your house. Because I don't understand why you want to spoil my career. Return my bonnet now before it's too late. These tears cannot go to waste. And when I cry, let me tell you, God is to answer my tears because it's serious. And this serious. I've told you. Don't say not tell you. Okay. Valentine's Day is coming, and I don't want any chocolate or ice cream. I want you to book me a flight ticket to Bali, Indonesia, to Greece and Venice, and I want to go to Barbados. Yeah. And if you complain, do you see your mate? Do you see your mate? If you bring that chocolate near me, I will spray you insecticide, and you will die.
No. Do you know something? I always like to be your friend, but I'm never getting into a fight with you. You know, like, oh yeah, we can go out, we can chill, you know, we can look at people and say, but I'm never getting into a fight with you. That is never going to happen. Now, another thing is, how do you feel? I mean, obviously you're giggling, but how do you, because these are old videos, right?
Yeah.
How do you feel when you look at yourself or these videos, all this content? How does it make you feel?
I feel so excited. I don't know. I feel so, it feels like this is an escape. Like, this is me.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Like, it's just raw me.
Like, it's just bubbly, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now, has it always been like this for you?
Actually, it has, which is so funny. I feel like this is just the time. I'm just in a time where the world just gets to see.
Yeah,
me.
that's true.
Yeah, because this has always been me. So what people ask that question, and what comes to my head is sustainability. If this was something that was not like real, was not something that I've always been like, you know, it would be hard to keep up.
Yeah, because another thing I wanted to ask you is, with people who are at the top of their game, right?
Yeah.
You know, with artists, with influencers, with creators, you know, is there necessarily a fear to keep up with your previous content when you're releasing new content? Tell us about that.
So there's this pressure, the pressure that comes. So it comes to people in twos. So it's either you start to compare yourself to somebody else, or you get pressure.
That's social media.
So that's social media. So or you get pressure to like, you know, put something that is more than the other one, that's more than the other content, you know. So mine was pressure, you know, because I'm like, okay, now. Because I'd never planned to, you know, be in this place. I never saw myself doing all of this stuff, you know. So the fear was, okay, so what do I do next? So what do I post next? So what do I do next? What do I do next?
So that was pressure from yourself?
Yes, from myself.
Okay.
Yes, from myself. You know, so I'm like, all these people, and people kept on coming, people kept on like, you know, coming to the platform to see stuff, and I'm like, so I have to keep giving you now content. So yeah, that's the only thing.
And how have you kept yourself grounded? Because now there's the fame, you're traveling, and you know, we see videos with you and Don Jazzy. And I love a lot of videos I can't really talk about on air, but how do you keep yourself grounded? Because now you have a huge fan base.
Yeah.
And, you know, having a fan base is not an easy thing to deal with.
Yeah.
How do you keep yourself in check, so to speak?
In check. So I always remind myself that whatever God gives, He takes.
True.
So, and that's one thing that could humble you for the rest of your life, because this is the platform. God forbid, anything can happen. So how I reason is, I need to be able to like reach out to people in the best way that I can, and you know, keep that memory and share that memory, as compared to just feeling like, oh yeah, I'm here now, so don't talk to me. I would never feel that way.
Nice one, nice one. Another thing is, you know, when it comes to social media, we see the glitz, the glamour, you know, this thing, but there's this underlining factor of a lot of negativity, you know, and everyone has the way of dealing with it. You know, we see girls and young guys going so much. How do you deal with that, so to speak, negativity, that stress, you know, for that little person who's watching you right now?
So, with the kind of, thank God, with the kind of my content, I don't really get a lot of I don't even get any, let me know, like, I'm serious, for real. I don't get any like negative, like, you know, like energy around
Feedback,
me, or
right?
like feedback,
Nice
or like comments, or you know, because one thing I don't really read comments, because I try to just keep my mental health there.
That's good.
You know, so
that's the first step. Don't read the comments.
I always try to keep my mental health there in check. You know, so yeah, I don't get any. I've not seen any negative comment. You know what I mean? So even if there's a negative comment, somebody in my comment section is already bashing the person dropping a negative comment.
Army, right?
So they're like, "Why are you here?" So I've seen that a couple of times, like a lot of times. You know, if somebody tries to be weird, somebody else is like, "Okay, then why are you here?" or that kind of thing. So yeah, so
now the bonnet.
the bonnet.
I told you I was going to ask you. Has it always been a thing? Has it always been a thing? Or?
Has it always been a thing?
Yeah.
No. So it hasn't always been a thing. So the very first video that went viral was Game of Thrones video, and I was wearing a black bonnet. Okay, so that one was there, and then I didn't really see that. Okay, this is a bonnet kind of thing, because the next video I did after was not with the bonnet. It was like just with my braids and everything. And then I don't know, because the timing, the times I kept on doing my videos were like at night. And when I'm ready to go to bed, I'm always with my bonnet on. After my mask, you know, I'm just like, let me just see something.
It just became a thing.
You
You see, when guys start wearing it, it's your fault. If guys start wearing it, you know where it's from.
They have already started wearing it.
It's your fault. You know, because I'm sure that guys going to be wearing it. Another thing, you're in Ghana.
Yeah.
What do you love about Ghana the most?
Oh my
Apart
God.
from me. What is your favorite thing about Ghana?
I don't
Second
know.
favorite thing.
Ghana, the hospitality in Ghana, I can't lie. Like, you guys are so welcoming. And it's just so nice to see that, you know, like to see that hospitality, to see that you guys are welcoming, to see that you guys are respectful, and all of that stuff. So that's one thing I like about Ghana.
Yeah. Do you plan on working with any Ghanaian content creators? Because there are a lot.
I know.
And they love you.
There are a lot, but the thing is, I don't even like really know.
Collaborate.
Yeah.
So what does it take to collaborate with Caramel?
What are they?
Is it the money?
Tell me my money.
Tell us. Is it the money? Is it the money?
No, but the thing is, I feel like with me personally, I'm somebody who vibes based on your energy. So if your energy is really like top A, so why not we could collaborate? That's not a problem.
Yeah.
You know, so that's
one thing I want to say is your energy is on point. You know,
Thank you
I'm
so
someone
much.
who believes in energy. I believe in the universe.
Yeah.
And I know you're going to do bigger things.
Thank you so
You
much.
know, I got a message on Twitter. This is not my question. You know, they want to know if you have a boyfriend. This is not my question.
Who is the boyfriend? Yes,
You know,
sir.
your
I mean,
fans,
like,
they want to know. They want to. You have to answer before we go.
if I have a boyfriend, why is that a problem?
They want to know Caramel. Because me, when it comes to edibles, my favorite is Caramel. So it's just a coincidence. I am just saying. You know.
Wow.
I have to
You
put
will
that
not
in there.
put me on the spot. I refuse that you put me on the spot here.
Caramel, man. You're an amazing person.
Thank
Unfortunately,
you so
we have
much.
to go. But what do you want to tell your fan base, your Ghanaian, your worldwide fan base?
Thank you so much for having me, Ghana. I really love you guys so much. Shout out to you for your support, for your everything. I love you guys. See, from the bottom of inside my heart.
Yes,
Thank
but
you.
to those watching, there is love and there's love. Let me just put that out there. Your Instagram, Twitter, everything else quickly before you go.
Yes, so my IG is caramel.plug, but I want to say something real quick before I keep saying that. There's a meet and greet today in Ghana at 5 p.m. today at Ibis Style Hotel, Airport Road, Accra, Ghana. So everybody come through. There's going to be bonnets, so if you want to get one, this is the chance to get a bonnet from me. And
the guys, don't be shy. You can come to and say you're buying for your girlfriend.
Exactly.
Yeah, say you're buying for your girlfriend. Wear it yourself.
I mean, guys come to get for your girlfriend as well. So, you know, guys do that
but
a lot.
wait in our rooms. We don't really care. Anyways, Caramel, thank you so much for coming through. But guys, of course, this is the MX Chart Show Top 10 Countdown. And we're going to put this interview on Facebook and everywhere else. Now, the top 3 songs in Ghana right now. And again, shout out to this beautiful girl right here. Enjoy.